Hey guys, Pat here at Lockit Cycle Bits, and today we have the ABUS Bordo Big. It's the 120 with the built-in alarm. 120 basically standing for 120 centimeters. It's something like 47 inches in total. It has 10 bars or 10 links, which is different than the 90 version, which only has 6. So it makes it a little bit longer. Comes with a nice frame mounting bracket. Sits really well in there. You open it up, so the lock basically rests in there. Let's have a look at the bracket first. It mounts on the bike with straps. Actually, you can do it's got the mounting points for the water bottle cage, but it's because of the weight of the lock, it's highly recommended that you use these straps that come with it. So it's gonna be something like this, where you mount it on the bike that way. So that's the bracket, but let's have a look at the lock. There's a 90 version. There's also the Centium. They all basically use the same alarm function, which is a 3D positioning system. It's going to detect any movement, any shock. They also use the ABUS Plus key system, really high end, but what also means it can be keyed to any other ABUS Plus key. And the way it works is to transport it. Let's open this up. So the lock sits in the first position, and when you push it actually in there and you lock it, it's going to give you a beep. It's going to go into an activation mode. So this is telling you it's activated. And so now when somebody would accidentally bump or just touch the lock, if you move it, it's going to do this. If you stop touching it, it's just going to rest like that. It's, if the sequence happens too fast, it's going to go off. So say, a couple of minutes later, somebody else comes by, bumps the lock, does it again. We're not doing anything further. It's going to stop. But now, say somebody would really, start messing with the lock, keep moving it, keep doing whatever is doing. This is what's going on. So you got a 100 decibel alarm that's going to go off for about 20 seconds, and then it will go back into mode, and it'll be ready for the next time. So let's have a look at the alarm module. So to replace the module, it's very simple. It's a very, very well built lock. You got to take this silicone cover off, and out here on the side is the module. Replaceable. It's got the battery right in there. Very well made, very high quality lock, as is always the case with anything that ABUS does. Just slides in here. When the locking bar is in there, you can't pull the module out. What I would have liked to see was that in the first setting, the way to transport the lock, the module can be pulled out. I would have liked to see that they actually changed that and made it so that you can't pull it out at all. So, but normally you're going to use the alarm module. It's a well-built lock. If you got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We're going to put all the links to all the products below in the comments too, and feel free to subscribe or have a nice day. Bye.